Big, medium, or small? Ready to find out which is the best?
Let's do this! Wow!
This is so cool!
Whoa! I've never seen such a tiny jug of gunpowder. I'm gonna try to blow a bubble.
Awesome! Now it's my turn! So yummy! Check out my bubble!
Let me show you how it's done. Here I go!
Careful! Don't overdo it!
I think it's too late for that.
Wow! That was so cool! Awesome!
Let's keep going. Wow! What a huge barrel! Looks like I got the biggest one.
Can I go first? Awesome! Let's see what we've got here. Wow! Time to try this candy!
Uh-oh.
Man, my poor tongue!
Gosh, now I'm scared. Ugh.
Hey, you have to eat more.
Okay. Oh my gosh.
I think it's kicking in.
Oh my.
This is so sour. That is not funny.
Relax. Leave it to me.
What is that for?
Sit still.
My face is back to normal. Thanks.
Looks like there's one contestant left.
Do I really have to do this?
Oh yeah.
All right, here I go.
More, come on!
Go, 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 go!
I can do this. Look, I ate it all.
Awesome! Huh?
It's too much for me. Ah!
What?
Grr, me angry.
Ah, I'm scared!
Whoa, I'm strong and green.
What? That's still just Cody.
Let's go. Wow. These are my favorite Doritos. And it looks like I'm the luckiest one here.
Wow, that looks delicious.
Let's try one.
Whoa, I've never seen Doritos this big. Well, too bad I got the smallest ones. Man, are you kidding me?
Haha, look at that!
You guys are so mean.
Man, she's really upset.
Sucks to be her.
I think I can help. Press this.
Huh? What's happening?
Now you can start eating.
Cool, thanks. So delicious.
Easy peasy. Whoa, are you okay?
I don't think so.
Huh, what do you have there?
Whoa!
Hey, where are you going?
Phew, I feel much better.
Well, I finally get to eat too. Huh, where did my Doritos go?
Hey there!
That was mine!
Sorry.
Ready? Let's go! Looks like we have noodles this time.
Awesome! I love noodles!
Me too, huh? Oh no! They're spicy!
Darn it!
Haha, good thing I got the small portion.
Then you start.
Easy! Let's get to it! What a long noodle!
You okay?
More than okay. See? I finished.
Aren't they spicy?
These? Not for me. I'm a tough guy. Man, that burns. Why aren't you guys eating?
Okay, you first.
Well, let's begin.
What are you doing?
Good manners are always important.
Whatever.
Now I need to sanitize my hands.
I've had enough. Open your mouth.
Hey!
That's how you do it.
Oh no.
Watch out! Whoa, that was close.
Whoops! Sorry.
Man,
Your turn. Yep.
why me?
This is gonna be fun.
Oh, yeah.
Look, what's that over
Where?
there? Now I'm gonna make these noodles hotter.
Huh?
Mwahaha! Get down! And just like that, the noodles are gone. Moving on. Wow. I love Baskin-Robbins!
Aw, what a cute little portion. This spoon is way too big.
Don't worry, I have exactly what you need.
That's so cool, thanks! I hope I can do this.
Well, is it good?
Oh yeah, very.
Why is it taking so long? I'm not waiting for her. Time to dig in. Mmm, so tasty. Oh no, I have a brain freeze. Man, that was painful.
You should have seen yourself.
I have an idea. Time to melt this dessert. Perfect. And let's add some crunchy toppings too. Much better. Let's try it. Mmm. Oh yeah.
That was smart. Well, my turn. Actually pretty good.
Careful. You shouldn't eat so fast.
Oh no, I'm freezing!
Uh-oh. Hey, look at her, quick!
Sorry, I'm busy.
Seriously? Come on, she needs help.
Fine. Group hug!
Oh, okay.
The warmth of friendship will save you. Whoa!
It worked! Thanks, guys! 1, 2, 3, go!
Whoa, cool! Now that's a portion.
Wow! Man, I got the smallest one! That's it. Seriously?
Pff, pathetic. Watch and weep.
Talk about bad luck. Whatever.
Wow.
Drop right in here!
Oh, come to daddy, you delicious thing. Mmm, yummy.
Oops!
Hey, where are you? Where did my candy go?
No idea.
I didn't see anything. Time to eat these treats. All right, let's get to it. Wait, I have an idea. Let's take a few more bowls and separate the candies by color. Reds go here, greens go here, and done. Perfect.
Why did you even do that?
Don't you know what it's like to be a perfectionist?
Good thing I'm not like that.
Will you share with me, please?
Ha! No.
Greedy! Then I'll get some candy myself. Let's just make a little hole. Awesome! It's working!
Hey, where did my candies go?
I don't know what you're talking about.
That's so weird! How could that happen?